Model in software engineering? The Agile model is a software development approach that emphasizes flexibility, collaboration, and iterative delivery. It is based on the principles outlined in the Agile Manifesto, which values individuals and interactions, working software, customer collaboration, and responding to change. The Agile model promotes adaptive planning, early and continuous delivery, and frequent feedback. Some of the popular Agile methodologies include Scrum, Kanban, and Extreme Programming, XP. Here are the key aspects of the Agile model. 1. Iterative and incremental development. The development process is divided into small iterations, typically called sprints, with each iteration lasting from 1 to 4 weeks. Within each sprint, a subset of features is developed, tested, and delivered as a working increment of the software. This iterative and incremental approach allows for frequent delivery of valuable software functionality. 2. Self-organizing in cross-functional teams. Agile teams are typically self-organizing, meaning they have the autonomy to determine how to accomplish their work and make decisions collaboratively. The teams are cross-functional, consisting of members with different skills necessary to develop, test, and deliver the software incrementally. 3. Product backlog and user stories. The requirements and features of the software system are captured in a product backlog, which is a prioritized list of user stories. User stories are brief, high-level descriptions of desired functionality from the perspective of end users or stakeholders. The product backlog is continuously refined and reprioritized based on changing needs and feedback. 4. Sprint planning and execution. At the beginning of each sprint, the team conducts sprint planning, where they select a set of user stories from the product backlog to work on during the sprint. The team breaks down the user stories into smaller tasks, estimates their effort, and commits to delivering them within the sprint. The development and testing activities are carried out during the sprint, and the progress is tracked through daily stand-up meetings. 5. Continuous integration and testing. Agile teams emphasize continuous integration, where code changes from different team members are integrated into a shared code repository frequently. Continuous testing is also performed throughout the development process to ensure the quality and functionality of the software. Test automation and test-driven development, TDD, practices are often employed to support continuous testing. 6. Sprint review and retrospective. At the end of each sprint, a sprint review is conducted to demonstrate the completed work to stakeholders and gather feedback. This feedback helps inform future iterations and refine the product backlog. A sprint retrospective is also held, allowing the team to reflect on the sprint and identify improvements for the next iteration. 7. Adaptation and continuous improvement. The Agile model encourages teams to embrace change and adapt to evolving requirements and customer needs. The iterative nature of Agile allows for flexibility in accommodating changes, and regular feedback loops enable continuous improvement and learning throughout the project. The Agile model offers several benefits. 1. Flexibility and adaptability. Agile enables teams to respond to changing requirements and priorities, allowing for flexibility and adaptability throughout the development process. 2. Customer collaboration. Agile promotes close collaboration and frequent communication with stakeholders, ensuring that the software meets their expectations and delivers value. 3. Early and continuous delivery. Agile emphasizes delivering working software increments early and frequently, enabling stakeholders to see and provide feedback on the software throughout the development process. 4. Transparency and visibility. Agile practices, such as daily stand-up meetings and visual boards, provide transparency and visibility into the progress of the project, fostering better communication and coordination within the team. However, there are considerations with the Agile model. 1. Requires active stakeholder involvement. Agile relies on active engagement and regular feedback from stakeholders. If stakeholders are not readily available or lack involvement, it can hinder the success of Agile projects. 2. Scope management. Agile projects require careful management of scope to prevent scope creep and ensure that the most valuable features are prioritized and delivered. 3. Learning curve. Adopting Agile may require cultural shift and learning new practices for both the development team and stakeholders who are accustomed to more traditional approaches. The Agile model is suitable for projects where requirements are expected to evolve, stakeholders desire regular and early delivery of software functionality, and there is a need for flexibility and collaboration throughout the development process.